In this video, I'm talking all about YouTube trailers, why you need them, why they're important, and how to create a really awesome and compelling trailer for your YouTube channel. So let's get right into it. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and yes, in today's video, we're talking all about YouTube trailers, why they're important, and why you need one for your YouTube channel. But before we get into that, let me answer the question, what is a YouTube channel trailer? Simply put, a YouTube channel trailer is a quick video that sits on the homepage of your YouTube channel, briefly explaining who you are, what you offer, and why somebody should subscribe to your channel. So when it comes to creating a YouTube trailer, there are three important things that you want to cover. And the first one is, what do you offer to an audience? So here on this YouTube channel, I create daily filmmaking and photography tutorials. That is what I offer. And if you look at my trailer, you'll notice that is one of the first things that I mention. It's really important that this is the first piece of information you give people because people want to know what you're going to offer them very, very quickly. Attention spans are getting shorter and shorter and shorter, and if you don't get to the point and tell somebody what you're offering them, they're just going to click away and find a channel that is going to give them what they need. So in order to open up a YouTube channel trailer, you first want to begin by saying what you offer. So in my trailer, for example, I start with the question, are you a filmmaker, a photographer, or somebody that just wants to make something awesome? Hey, welcome to the channel. Are you a filmmaker, a photographer, or somebody that just wants to make something awesome? Instantly, it's going to grab the attention of the audience and ask them a simple question. And if you're not a filmmaker, a photographer, and you don't care about creating video and photo content, then this channel isn't for you. So you can leave the channel and go and find something that is more relevant. But if you're interested in those subjects, then you can stick around to the next part of the video. Now, after that initial question, you want to go ahead and explain what you offer. So in my video, I roughly say something along the lines of, in this channel, I create YouTube content that is going to teach you how to make videos and photos and create something really awesome to be proud of. Well, if you are, then this is the place to learn how to plan, shoot, and edit amazing videos, learn how to take incredible photos, and learn techniques that will take your work to the next level. So the first bit of information that you want to give somebody is what you offer. Now, the next bit of information, and this is really important, and this is why somebody should stick around. So this is where you want to give your audience a reason. What makes you different to other channels? What makes you stand out? And why should the person stick around, subscribe, and check out your videos? It's a really important question, and if you can't answer that question for yourself, then you need to reevaluate your channel and figure out why somebody would stick around and watch your content. And once you figure that out, you want to put that in the video and explain to your viewer why they should stick around and subscribe. So the third piece of information that you want to give somebody is a brief introduction to yourself. So you've explained what you offer, you've explained why somebody should stick around and subscribe. They're clearly interested at this point. So this is where you briefly introduce yourself. Now, a YouTube channel could be beautifully shot and give loads of really important information, but if the person on screen isn't exciting, isn't entertaining, if the audience doesn't connect with the person on screen, then unfortunately, all of that hard work is just gone to waste. It's important to introduce yourself and a few key facts about yourself. So you could say why you're qualified to talk about the stuff you're talking about, what makes you interesting, what makes you funny, what makes you entertaining. So take the time to briefly describe yourself and try to interject some of your character into the video. But why should you listen to me? Well, my name is Chris and I'm a full-time freelance filmmaker and photographer. I've worked with some awesome companies and some incredible artists, and I want to share everything that I've learned along the way with you. So once you've explained what your channel offers, why somebody should stick around, and once you've introduced yourself, you just want to nicely conclude this channel trailer up by saying subscribe, check out the videos, make sure you like the videos. You want to add some sort of call to action. Ideally, this video should make people want to subscribe and stick around. So ask people to subscribe at this point in the video. So whether it be Photoshop tutorials or tips and tricks that I've learned from set, this channel purely exists to help you create something awesome today. So make sure to subscribe. I upload a brand new video every single day, and the best way to stay updated on everything that I post is by pressing that awesome subscribe button. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really do appreciate you being here, and I hope this channel helps you create something awesome. Now, YouTube is very visual and people's attention spans can be very small. So once you've talked about everything and yourself on the channel trailer, you want to go ahead and you want to add cutaways of all of the best videos, some of the highlights, some of the really cool moments from your channel on top of the video. So you're going to talk to the camera, talk all about yourself and your channel. And whilst you're talking to the camera, there's going to be cutaways of all your best moments on the channel overlaid on top of the footage. And then once you've done all of that, just add in some music and some sound design, and you've got yourself a really awesome channel trailer. Now, it's super important that you keep your channel trailer nice and short. You don't want your channel trailer to be 15 minutes long, 10 minutes long, 5 minutes long even. You want to keep it to around 1 minute in time because you really want to avoid people from clicking away. If people get to the very end of the video, most likely they're probably going to subscribe or at least check out a video or two to see what your channel is all about. So to quickly sum up, you want to explain what your channel offers, why somebody should subscribe, introduce yourself and your character. You want to add all your highlights as a montage over the top of the video, and you want to keep everything to under a minute. And then once you've done all of that, you should have successfully completed a really compelling and really awesome channel trailer that will get people to subscribe and check out the rest of your channel. So if this video helped you at all, or if you feel like you learned something, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And if you're subscribed, then I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. Thank you for watching.